guys, something came in the mail today, and I'm so excited. And so here we go. First off is a Pyrotronics. Yeah. Next off is a 96956 chain module show. Two different Simplex true alerts. Two different Simplex true alerts. Simplex true alert launch rope, Simplex true alert speed, Simplex true alert launch rope, Simplex true alert strobe. Next is system sensor SP2R 2475 MC. Next is the same as this, but it's a different color around this. System sensor SP2W1224MC. They both look alike, but this one's kind of red because I painted it. Here's the mounting plates for. Here's a mounting plate for this one or this one. Look at it. It can fit both of these.
You're standing right in the way.
It can fit this one.
That's a skirt.
And it can fit this one.
Tyler, that's called a skirt.
I can call a mounting plate if I want to.
Okay.
And I'm putting it onto this fire alarm. I'm putting it onto this. I know it's getting kind of long, guys, but I need to put the mounting plate on.
Alright, Ty, just let it be.
Hey, hold on. Next is a 49695756 speaker strobe. This is my ceiling mounted Genesis alert speaker strobe. If it says SPKR, it's speaker.
You can make a second row now, so.
I know, I'm putting it right there. Then next is my Spectre Alert Advanced Alert Fire Alarm. Next is my 49695756 light plate. Next is my first alert smoke. Next is a first alert smoke detector. Next is the one that comes with the 49695756 light plate. See? Here's the one. Here's my fan wall. Simplex T-bar.
I'm running out of battery, kiddo, so.
Oh no. I'm putting the Simplexes all in one row. I'm putting the Simplex fire alarms all in one row.
Okay.
Simplex children's speaker show.
Hey, what's up?
Okay.
Here's
Okay.
and
I'm gonna run out of battery, Ty.
we're going over here. All the Simplex fire alarms are going in one row. There's my fen. There's my fen wall with the keys, and it has a big alarm thing, and it's so heavy and it can't cover. My gearlock fire alarm. Here's my firelight pole station. I have a lot of fire lamps. A lot of fire alarms soon.
Gonna run out of battery, kiddo.
Here's
Come on.
Here's a pressure sensor spectre of it. Here's a, I don't know the model number, but here's a pole station.
I want you to do two at a time.
Here's a Gentex and a BG10. Here's an Edwards and a Gateway. And here's a 270 SPO. Chevron. EST Genesis. This is sensor SPSR. Don't know the wrong number. Here's the mountain plate for the SPSR. And here's Wheeler Exceeder with a mountain plate. I buy these all on eBay. Thanks a lot to the people who gave it to me. And I'll see you next time. All right.
That's it.
Bye.
I'm still getting them. Wow, look at that.
Can I do this part?
Well, you're gonna run out of battery.
I know.
Get your thumbs in. Hi, Lily.
That's my camera.
No. You can't be around with the video. Okay. Thanks for hanging till the end, everybody.
Put a like down to the comment below if you like it, or put a thumbs down if you don't like it, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye.